Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. So today we shall learn about the different land and water bodies that we have and as to what they are called in Telugu. So let's get started. So at first, let's begin with the land surfaces that we have. So the term land surface in Telugu is known by the name Bhumi Uparitalam. Bhumi, Bhumi, Uparitalam, Uparitalam. So a land surface in Telugu is known by the name Bhumi Uparitalam. Continents is known as Khandalu. Khandaalu. Khandalu. Desert in Telugu is known by the name Edari. Edaari. Edari. Mountain is known by the name Parvatam. 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 Hill is known as Konda. 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 Soil in Telugu is known as Mannu. Mannu. Mannu means soil. Sand is known as Isuka. 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 Sand granules means Isuka renuvulu. Isuka. Isuka. Renuvulu. Renuvulu. Isuka renuvulu means sand granules. Stone or stones. Stone is a singular word and stones is a plural word. Rai. Raayyi. Rai. And the plural one? Rallu. Raallu. Rallu. Rock is known as Pedda Bandarayi. Pedda. Pedda means a big one. Bandarayi. Banda. Banda. Raayyi. Rai. Valley means Loya. Looya. Loya. A jungle or forest is known by two names. Either of it can be used. Adavi. 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 Or Aranyamu. 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 Either of it means jungle or forest. Island is known as Dweepam. Dveepam. Dweepam means an island. Volcano in Telugu is known as Agni Parvatam. Agni. Agni. Parvatam. Parvatam. Agni Parvatam means a volcano. So till now we have seen the different land surfaces, and now we shall move on to the water bodies. Water bodies in Telugu is known by the name Neeti Vanarulu. Neeti. Neeti. Vanarulu. 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 Neeti Vanarulu. Water. In Telugu, you can call it with either of these two names, Neeru or Neelu. Neeru. Neeru or Neellu. Neelu. Ocean is known as MAHAA Maha, SAMUDRAMU Samudramu. Mahasamudramu means an ocean. Sea is known as Samudramu. SAMUDRAMU Samudramu. River in Telugu is known as Nadi. NADI Nadi. Lake is known as Sarassu. SARASSU Sarassu. Pond can be called by two names, Cheruvu or Tatakamu. CHERUVU Cheruvu or Tatakamu. TATAAKAMU Tatakamu. And moving on to a last word in our water bodies. Waterfall in Telugu is known as Jalapatam. JALA Jala PAATAM Patam. Jalapatam means waterfall. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to practice. You all know, right? Practice makes you perfect. And please do subscribe to my channel to get notified about my upcoming educative and informative videos. Stay safe, stay healthy.